Hi, everybody. I'm Sheena Badani with Element, and I'm head of marketing at the company. I'm pleased to give you a quick overview on our company and our offering. So Element, we were really created to help democratize industrial data in order to transform operational performance. And the way that we do this is through the Element platform, in which we're taking both operations data, enterprise data, and everything in between in order to make it very easy to use and trustworthy anywhere in the organization. So a quick overview on our company. We're based in San Francisco. What's really unique about us is the team that we bring together. So we have folks who have deep experience working at industrial companies, as well as industrial software companies, and bringing that together with folks who have deep roots in Silicon Valley, working at big data companies such as Google, LinkedIn. Myself, I was at MongoDB as well. Some other interesting aspects are really around our industrial expertise. So from an investor standpoint, we're backed by a lot of companies who have experienced the exact problem that we're going after, and we're very closely partnered with both Microsoft on the IT side of the house as well as OSI Soft on the operations side. We've also been recognized by a few key vendors, including Gartner as a cool vendor. The real challenge that we are addressing is that most of your organizations, you already have tons and tons of data residing in the enterprise. The challenge is that it's siloed. It's residing on individual laptops. It's residing at a given plant. There's even enterprise data. But the connections between all of these data sources are what is really missing in order to unlock both analytics and then the insights that are going to come out of those analytics. Our vision is that asset twins are really what is going to enable this 360-degree view of any piece of equipment or any asset. So somebody in maintenance or reliability or in management, they all have their own view of what they would want to see from that data. And we are creating those relationships between those siloed data sources in order to enable such views for diverse data constituents. So our solution, again, is the Element platform, and we're taking the data from the assets or the machines all the way to the business decision makers. And in our platform, what we're doing is we're combining that data, we're creating that context around the data by combining both operations data and other data sources that have the context, creating the asset twins, and once those asset twins are created, we're really able to help ensure that they're trustworthy and that they're always up to date whenever there are changes in the underlying data or assets. And then again, we connect this back to key analytic applications, visualization sources, or to your own data scientists or other folks who want to drive insights from that. A quick case study, so we're working with leading Fortune 500 type of companies across the globe. One client is an oil and gas super major, and with them we worked on a project to take, as you can see, this vast scale of data, which was coming from 6,000 different data sources, over 1.5 million sensor streams, and this was across 33 of their offshore assets. And what we were able to do was to reduce the time that they would otherwise have spent building these data models or asset twins in spreadsheets, and which was actually impossible to do in a manual fashion, and reduce the time by over 90%. And we're enabling various use cases from that data, from creating an overarching federal structure of the data to enabling anomaly applications on top of those 33 assets as well. So if you'd like to learn more, feel free to come by our table out in the expo hall or contact me anytime, Sheena@elementanalytics.com. We'd be happy to give you some more explanations of our product and use cases. Thank you.